Jamal will say something, just like you said, Jamal will say something the first time, and then I'll think, what the hell is he talking about? And then, but then by the time, the more I listen to him, when he gets to the end of it, I'm going, well, okay, yeah, all right, I get what you're saying, you know what I mean? But it's sort of like, that first statement is usually something that kind of makes me go, huh? But no, I think we're tracking. I think we're tracking, and I agree.
Turn left onto Dublin, Cavan and Monaghan.
I agree what you said there, Jamal. Like, I think it was beautiful for you to help your friend see that, you know, his human desire for love and connection with another human being, that's not...
In 1.5 miles, continue onto Cavan Road.
That's not wrong. That's not evil. He's maybe expressing...
Continue onto Cavan Road. In 2 miles, continue onto Dublin, Cavan and Monaghan. Continue onto Dublin, Cavan and Monaghan. In 2.2 miles, continue onto Cavan Road. Continue onto Cavan Road. In 2.1 miles, continue onto Dublin, Cavan and Monaghan. Continue onto Dublin, Cavan and Monaghan. In 13 miles, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Park Street.